Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. I want to show you how to fix your headlights that are cloudy. Here's what it looks like now, and that's what it looks like once you're done. Product I'm going to be using is this Wipe New made by Rustoleum. It's something I've used before. I even did another video before. It was an Odyssey minivan. They sold it before I had a chance to do a follow-up video. I was going to do a little follow-up video maybe 6 months or a year later just to see how it looked. So I'm going to do the video here, and then down the road I'll do a little follow-up and see how this looks in the future. First thing you want to do is just open everything up here. This is the actual Wipe New product, so set this aside. You don't need that just yet. Here you've got a microfiber towel, some gloves, and a little sanding pad or polishing pad, and of course the instructions. You see this pad's got two sides, a green and then like a grayish blue. So you start with the green side, and you just need to wet the lens, and then we'll use the green side. Be careful that you're not sanding the paint, so use your finger as a guide. You can also get some tape and tape this off if you like. A little bit of that grime and haze just kind of comes off. Give it a little rinse here. Just spend a few minutes doing this. Just make sure you get everything, cover every area. And then we can flip to the other side here, the blue or gray side. Do the same thing. They're calling this the polishing side. Same thing, spend a few minutes on each step. Now and then we can just take the included microfiber cloth and dry this off. It's got to be completely dry before you apply the Wipe New product. Want to make sure that you're doing both sides at the same time. Comes with gloves. It's a good idea to put those on. And then here it is. This is the product. Just tear this open. You do want to be in a well-ventilated area. This stuff is really strong. And then just take it and just carefully wipe it across the lens. You can see kind of like some yellow stuff coming off on this little rag. Yeah, it might not even be a bad idea to wear a mask while you do this. It's really, really strong stuff. That's pretty much it. Just go over it. Just one wipe is all it takes. I'm just doing it again because I got a couple little runs down here. So if I get a chance, I'll try to do a follow-up video on this same vehicle so you can see what it looks like maybe 6 months or a year later. Well, there you go. Good product. Like I said, I've done another video and I thought it worked great, so it worked great again here. I've used it on several cars since. Hope you liked the video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out. Of course, I'll put a link in the description where you can pick some of this stuff up as well. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck.